Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add references on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Ziprecruiter account, job seeker account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to add references on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to check the top right corner of your screen and click on the Profile tab. That's going to take you to my profile window or your profile window. So from this window, scroll all the way down. Now, as of 2020, once you scroll all the way down from my profile window, you'll be able to see a category that says references and request a reference. So once you hit on that request reference button, that's just going to be it. You'll be able to add a reference. But as of 2024, you can see that's not possible anymore because that feature has been removed from Ziprecruiter. So now you can just add executive summary, or add objectives, or add achievements, and add associations, but you cannot add a reference. Again, to your profile on Ziprecruiter as at 2024, pending when they're going to bring that feature in again. So these are the things that you can add. Even if you get to jobs, let's say you clicked on job and you already applied for a job. Let's see if we can add a reference of that. So I'm going to head over to apply jobs. Here you go. So you can add a resume and cover letter and then you can see your status, but you cannot add a reference on Ziprecruiter as of 2024. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.